If you often use the word very when you speak English, that is completely okay. Many learners do this, and it does not mean your English is bad. It simply means you are still building confidence. Today, we will work on a small change that can make your English sound stronger and more natural. In this video, you will learn how to stop using very so often and use better words instead. These words are common, easy to remember, and used by native speakers every day. You do not need to sound fancy, you just need the right word. Let us start with something you probably say a lot. Very tired. This is correct, but native speakers usually choose one strong word instead. Instead of very tired, they often say exhausted. For example, instead of saying, I am very tired after work, you can say, I am exhausted after work. It sounds natural and clear, and you use fewer words. Now think about very happy. Again, it is correct, but it sounds basic. A more natural choice is excited or thrilled, depending on the situation. Instead of, I am very happy about the news, you can say, I am excited about the news. This sounds more alive and more confident. Let us slow down for a moment. You do not need to replace every very in your speech. Just start noticing it. Awareness is the first step. Another common one is very big. Native speakers often say huge or massive. For example, instead of they live in a very big house, you can say they live in a huge house. One word does the job of two, and it sounds smooth. Now let's look at very small. A better choice is tiny. Instead of the room is very small, say the room is tiny. This is simple and very common in daily English. You may also say very good a lot. This is one of the most overused phrases. Native speakers usually say great, excellent, or amazing. For example, instead of the movie was very good, you can say the movie was great. This sounds more natural and relaxed. Another one learners often use is very bad. A stronger word is terrible or awful. Instead of the weather is very bad today, you can say the weather is terrible today. This sounds clear and natural. Now let us talk about very fast. Instead of this, native speakers often say quick, or fast is replaced with rapid in some cases. For daily talk, quick is perfect. For example, instead of he runs very fast, say he runs quick, or he is really quick. You might be thinking, do I need to memorize many new words? The answer is no. Start small. Choose 2 or 3 replacements and practice them. Use them again and again until they feel normal. Here is an important point. Many learners think using very makes their sentence stronger, but in spoken English, it often does the opposite. Strong words sound more confident than very plus an adjective. Also remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you forget the strong word, using very is still okay. Communication is always more important than perfection. Let us take one more example. Very interesting. Native speakers often say fascinating or really interesting, but fascinating is very common. Instead of the book is very interesting, say the book is fascinating. Simple and natural. Pause for a second and think about your own English. Which phrase do you use with very most often? Very tired, very busy, very good? That's the one you should change first. You are already doing well by learning and practicing. Every small improvement adds up. Your English does not need to be perfect to be powerful. Before we finish, remember this. Using better words instead of very helps your English sound clearer, stronger, and more natural. Take it step by step. Be patient with yourself. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and share it with someone learning English. And subscribe to Instant English Tips for more simple and practical ways to speak English with confidence.